Good evening, Mumbai. Hello. Hi. Good evening, Mumbai. Thank you. 2 minutes, Tamudu. Thank you. 2 minutes. రెండు నిమిషాలు. Firstly, I want to thank and welcome all the senior journalists who are here, the print,
अरे
the video,
एक मिनट सुन तो लो.
all the media personals. Thank you so much for gracing this event. It means a lot to us, all your support. Thank you. I love you.
अच्छा एक मिनट. What we'll do is
2 minutes.
सुनो
2 minutes.
एक काम करते हैं.
2 minutes, please.
सर एक बार मैं कहता हूं इस तरफ हाथ हिला दीजिए, एक बार उस तरफ, फिर ये सब शांत बैठ जाएंगे. Thank you. Now that side. Thank you. Now we'll talk. Now we'll take this आगे. Lovely यार, कमाल लोग हो तुम. Okay. So yes, please go ahead, sir.
I think it's an incredible last 2 years. This movie has been embedded in every cell of us. We've been living this, breathing this for the last 2 years. Mr. Bujji Babu has been living, breathing this for the last 5 years. So it's a lot of investment. And I want to thank Bujji Babu for one reason, for convincing Mr. Rahman sir to be on the board on this project. Thank you, Bujji Babu. You know, I'm sure every project has 4 or 5 pillars, but this is the center pillar. The center pillar is R. Rahman sir. It is so needed. The way he composed movies like these, and many movies like this he's composed, especially I love your works, and Pele sir, it is one of my favorite background scores. So it is such an honor to be in his presence, in his films that he is part of. Thank you so much for being part of Peddie sir. And Devendra, thank you, man. You're a gangster. No, say gangster. His personality is almost like a giant personality. The way he carries every word, every dialogue, the expression. He's got a swag. He's got his own way. And the body language is something that I would like to develop or inculcate.
You have it already.
And of course, this is my 5th film or 4th film with Randy sir. He's a master. He's a master. He etched every frame so beautifully in the post, in the shoot. Thank you so much for. And Janvi ma'am, thank you. No, I've not seen such a diligent person in my life. The way she is working so hard. She used to rehearse the last day we just shot a song. I didn't have time because we were shooting 85 days continuously, and then the song landed up. I was like, I was learning there and I was doing it, and I didn't know whether she practiced it too. She did it 100 times better than me in the last song we did. I was like, she's like a Chupa Rustam. She's quietly learning it in Mumbai, and I like that dedication. It's something that she's very sincere to her work, and this Peddi needed a lot of sincerity in all of us, and I'm very happy. My dad and Miss Sridevi ma'am had worked together. It was long wish for our family, our fans, and who appreciated this, our parents coming together and us. So it is like a nostalgic thing for all of us, and this pair will not disappoint you guys. It will really, she's done her best. So Satish Garu, thank you for your kind words. I wish I can translate exactly what he said. On YouTube, please select on YouTube you can select the language, Hindi. Autocorrect hota hai. But yeah, he's really worked hard. He's the main man of this evening. It is because of him all of us are here, and he deserves every applause, every love, and your support he deserves. Telugu. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తెలుగు అభిమానులందరికీ పేరు పేరున నమస్తే. Thank you so much. Yeah, చేయి బానే ఉంది. This is a small gift that Bucci has given me. So through the course of the film, I think last 25-30 days we were doing a Kusti Pailwan shoot, and I've asked him to get really trained artists, but he's got real Pailwans. जब action बोलते हैं ना जोरदार पकड़ते हैं, and that's what happened. So I have a cartilage there, but it's fine. It's worth it. It's a beautiful memory of Peddi. I'm going to have. Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing that. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. So now, sir, I have a yes, sir. Sir would like to say something.
I want to thank Sukumar Garu for introducing a man to me. Thank you so much.
Rambhai, this one's for you. Talk to us. Of course, you talked about everyone here. Buchi Babu sir talked about you, of course. Jo humne samjha, sir, say thank you so much. But here, talk to us about this transformation of yours. And physically nahi tha, because I'm sure emotional also, you know, emotionally it was really challenging. Talk to us about that, please.
I mean, like Mr. Rahman sir said, there was a lot of spiritual journey tha isme. Because physically it was very challenging. Thanks to, first of all, Salman sir and Amir sir for giving us and paying the path for such films like Sultan and Dangal. It gave us so much confidence. Thank you, sir. Thank you, both of you, for starting this journey. And it was, we believed that these kind of films had worked in the past.
Yeah.
And obviously, we followed the same route. And the transformation was inevitable. It has to be done. It is part of the story. When he narrated to me, I remember in my house, wo niche acha carpet dal ke pura script aisa rakhe, he was going by one reading. And 2 hours, 40 minutes, I didn't have anything to say. I just got up and we started this journey. I knew it was going to be physically very, very tiring. And it's all worth it for this man and the subject he's written. It is a very, very sincere film. This is about a man's search for his identity. So everybody, we all need some kind of an identity to live, to go through the day. And this is about Piddi, who's finding his identity. Oh, identity crisis rehta hai. Through that, how he has found an identity for a very, very big reason, very big, larger cause, and what all he had to go through. The crossover athlete, kyun crossover athlete bana hai? So what led him to do what he is? The pain in Delhi, you saw. So it's a beautifully etched film. It is organic. At the same time, it's highly commercial, and it will take audience of all ages will be very, very happy and surprised to see this film. And I also believe this is the most inspiring story I have done in my life. Not just me. My dad, my dad saw part of it, and he said, Ram, for anybody to get a film like this, it normally takes a decade. Har saal mein we can't have a Magadhira or RRR. It takes a while. He said, please relish every moment of this, because you're not going to get a movie like this again. So when my Magadhira happened in 2007, then RRR Rangasthalam, it took 10 years. But luckily now abhi to thoda jaldi aa gaya ye film. So good films don't come very easily, and this is one of those films I want to keep in my library forever.
You just talked about RRR, sir. There's this observation, you know, people say जब आप bow and arrow उठाते हो, तो भगवान राम का direct आशीर्वाद मिल जाता है. यहाँ पे it's a mace and a gada. So हनुमान जी का आशीर्वाद. Are you like the most blessed superhero that we have? ऊपर से boss की पूरी blessings मिल रही हैं?
Thank you.
है ना?
Completely needed. I mean, my name is Hanuman Ram Charan Ke Tej. So I'm a big follower, and then he's the god of Kusti, you know.
Yes. What did you love the most, sir? Like कुश्ती, cricket या क्या cross country क्या किया मुझे नहीं पता है.
Cross country. Kusti, yaar. I mean, I don't know
Yeah,
how.
Janvi, yes, thank you so much.
Yeah, of course, Janvi is on top of the list. But, I mean, it's physically challenging. I don't know how Amir sir and Salman sir has done it. I have a lot of injuries. But every single day, there was this feeling where I want to wake up today and go to sets.
Right.
It was not like school ja rahe yaar, today kitna shooting karna hai. No, I don't want to leave my sets. This is one of the first few movies where I didn't want to leave the sets. I want to wake up at 5, work out and go there. So as a schoolboy jaise tha. So it is very interesting that that feeling we should retain when we're doing a movie.
Right.
You know you're doing something right.
अब मैं कुछ करने वाला हूं, मुझे आपका नहीं पता, यहाँ सब लोग बोलेंगे I'm doing it right. So मैं चाहूंगा वो चिकरी थोड़ा सा चला दो एक बार आप लोग. And of course, mega power star Ram Charan and Janvi Kapoor, I would request them to